Use the table to find the slope and y-intercept of the graph of the linear function f. So we were given that it is linear. But let's just verify that. Linear means that there is a constant slope on the line, a constant slope between any 2 points. So let's just take these 2 points here, 0, 6, and 1, 8. The x increments 1 and the y increments 2. In other words, delta y over delta x between those points is 8 minus 6 over 1 minus 0, which is 2. Well, let's take these 2 points. So delta y divided by delta x is going to be this point. It's going to be the difference in the y, 12 to this one, 12 minus 8 over 3 minus 1, which is 4 over 2, which is 2. So it looks like it is. The other way you know is that the x is incrementing steady by a delta x of 1, and the y's are incrementing steady with a delta y of 2. When you have steady increments in the x and in the y, that's a sign that you're going to have a linear function, which is a line. So we verified that it is a linear function. Now let's find the slope. Well, we already found the slope. Take any 2 points and do this kind of thing, and you'll have the slope. But the y-intercept, we got to find that now. Well, if the table didn't have x equals 0 in it, you wouldn't be able to find it directly, but you could use 2 points to determine the equation of the line and get the y-intercept that way. But since this point is here, there's a point 0, 6, and the y-intercept is when x equals 0 and we find y. And so since 0, 6 is a point on this function, then the y-intercept point is 0, 6. Intercept. The intercept point is 0, 6. You could say also the y-intercept is just the 6, the actual y-coordinate. You could say either one of those two. So if you wanted to then continue on to find the equation of that line, it would be y equals mx plus b form. Slope-intercept, which would be y equals 2 as the slope, x, plus the y-intercept is 6. And let's just verify that at this point, 210. When x is 2, y is 2 times 2 plus 6 equals 10. Checks out. Kind of mess that up. 10.